The Camping and Caravanning Club has taken the incredible outdoors inside here to the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show at Birmingham's NEC, where our new look stand is on full display, representing the direction of the club as we approach 125 years. Revamped logos, refreshed imagery, and an exciting new magazine has attracted thousands of interested members to the stand all week. But our ever-reliable club volunteers haven't changed, and they've been on hand to explain the new look. The magazine team has been all over the show, and we'll cover off the new launches. But before we do, I caught up with the club's Director of Marketing, Nicola Simpson, to find out more about the new branding.
So we've moved the logo on slightly. It's got a fresh, more modern look, but importantly it still reflects our history and heritage. One thing I would say is that we are absolutely still the friendly club. Ask any one of our lovely volunteers here or anyone who stayed on our friendly club sites. We just want to move forward and represent all things camping in the best possible light. We hope that it will attract new people into the club, and we really hope that existing members will be proud to stay with us and continue their journey.
Bailey continues to celebrate 75 years with the new Pegasus Grande GT75 Amalfi Caravan. This 6-berth twin-axle unit offers versatility with a comfortable double and static bunk beds to the rear, plus a living area that converts to up to 2 extra spaces to sleep up front. A separate shower and toilet in the centre of the caravan will be useful for families, and the washing area can be closed off on either side to ensure privacy and enough room for changing. The kitchen is efficient with a drop-down work surface above the oven should you need it, plus a family-sized fridge freezer. At £31,500, it sits at Bailey's mid-range offering, but the sleeping versatility of the Amalfi is useful as kids grow or if you want friends to come along for the ride. And the media centre ensures everyone will stay entertained. New from Opus is this exciting self-inflating camper, the ORX. Emerging from an off-grid trailer, this unit contains 2 double mattresses and a king-size bed extension if you want it, a portable toilet, a slide-out kitchen, 2 40-litre water tanks, a drying rack, blown air heating, and so much more. It's inspired by Australian and American models, so it should suit the hardier campers among us. The mass in running order is 1,400 kilograms, so if you can tow it, you'll have everything you need for a complete off-grid experience for just under £30,000.
In pre-pandemic times, almost all of the motorhomes at a show like this would have been based on a Fiat Ducato. But things are a bit different now. We're seeing a fair number of larger campervans on the VW Crafter, and Hillside Leisure builds its Hopton on that. But it also now has an MAN TGE-based version, like this cheerful orange model here. The main living area is at the back, with 2 large sofas that become a single bed or a spacious double. And at night, your feet will tuck under the fridge or the hob, making the most of the space available. In another interesting development, you'll find Thetford's combined gas and electric hob inside, with 2 gas burners and an induction ring.
Roller Team has expanded its Livingston range to feature the 6 Sport. This campervan will be more comfortable with 2 sleeping at the rear, in either of the 2 single beds or the double layout. A lot of thought has been put into the washroom, where you have a shower and a toilet but seemingly no sink. That is until you notice the drop-down basin built into the wall to save space. The kitchen is basic but nicely done, with a sink-cooker combination above a small oven. There is a step up into the driver's cabin, but at the front seats swivel round for comfort, especially if you have friends around. And all of this is at a great price of £56,000.
Coachman may be best known for its long history of high-quality UK caravan manufacture, but since its buyout by Swedish company Carber, we've seen it venture into top-of-the-range motorhomes. Here today they're introducing 2 new panel van conversions called Affinity. This Affinity Duo has an unusual layout with a rear washroom and a fixed double bed to one side. It's on the MAN base and has a top spec that's reflected in its nearly £100,000 price tag. But with a maximum mass of 3.5 tonnes, it can still be driven on the standard B-Class driving licence.
RoadPro's electric bike lift is one of the first of its kind. It allows you to safely mount your bike without having to lift it and can come to just a few inches off the ground. You simply press a button or use the optional remote and it is lifted to a secure height on the back of your motorhome. The maximum load is 60 kilograms, which makes it suitable for up to 2 e-bikes or just 3 standard bikes, and the lift itself weighing 20 kilograms. For just under £1,500, any biking holidays will become considerably easier with this technology. German manufacturer Trino provide a broad range of portable, compostable, dry separating toilets. They all contain a body, lid and a toilet seat with 2 containers. To prevent odours, the lid has a special membrane and the waste ends up in a garbage bag made from compostable or completely recyclable material. You can purchase both an Evo or Origin series of the toilet, with both being designed to be lightweight. These toilets can set you back in the region of £299 to £699. Each version can come in small, medium or large, with each size depending on your unit.
Hall 4 of the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show is where you'll find the tents. There are plenty of well-known names here like Outwell, Coleman, Vango and Zempire, companies that often feature as winners in our Owner Satisfaction Awards. Coleman is well known for its event shelters that appear at plenty of outdoor events, and now there are some air tube versions. The Air Shelter M comes with side walls, or there's a larger L model if you need more space. Scottish company Vango has the new classic Instant 300 on display. An interesting twist on the traditional ridge tent as it's in pop-up form. But there are also a few unusual names. The Dutch company De Waard has a smart, sturdy cotton canvas teepee on display called the Compact Fur, costing a little under £1,000. And here for the first time is North Peak, a Korean company selling high-quality polyester airframe tents in partnership with Kayam. But they have some slightly confusing names, as the A5 is a 4-berth and the A7 is a 5. But I'm sure there's some logic behind it somewhere.
This new Latitude Generation 2 Explorer roof tent feels like it is built for all kinds of adventures. With a sleek black colourway, slim design and roof bars as standard. As an extra, you can mount additional accessories to the sides too. It has a hard shell built from aluminium framework and polycotton fabric at the sides, giving it a weight of 74 kilograms, and features gas struts that mean the tent can be popped up quickly and easily. Climb up the ladder and you'll find a foam mattress inside, as well as different storage options, including internal pockets and a cargo net. Altogether, this adventure-style roof tent will set you back £2,495.
I'm going to get a bit more experience towing so I can take out that new Bailey Pegasus Grande Amalfi that we saw earlier. And you can see more of that when I do a deeper dive in a couple of weeks. For now, however, that's all from this year's Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more reviews and inspirational touring content, and visit myccc.co.uk to join the club today. Happy camping and caravanning!